we got a door in the bathroom now. Look at that. Pretty fast. Hey, Oscar. Oscar.
Yep.
We put the sink here, right?
Oh, no. This door is open for outside.
So this is wrong.
Yeah. Okay, this.
Well, we gotta switch this door around because this is going to go into the sink.
Over there.
Easy? No easy.
Easy.
Coming out easy?
Over here.
Because the agua over there.
No big problem here.
No?
No.
It's like top.
Oh, didn't finish, you know what? Didn't finish? Sí. Mete mal soso. Sí, como soso. No problema, tío.